I feel like speaking Cantonese in Hong Kong is a lost art, so I'm going to spend a whole day attempting to speak Cantonese as a CBC Canadian-born Chinese. 早晨，你而家搭地鐵去尖沙咀 for 點心。我哋今日去呢度食點心 ，open 24小時。凍檸茶、燒賣、蝦餃、鳳爪、花腸。好味。你去博物館 The Hong Kong Museum of History。而家我哋搭車去中環，嗰度係中環，可以搭地鐵，不過想今次搭船。Check 下大排檔 for lunch. 大排檔 is basically street side vendors. 我要叉燒雞蛋，出前一丁，飲凍檸茶。我叫一個韭菜豬肉餃加米線。